How to turn off Bitlocker on Windows 10 11. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to disable Bitlocker on Windows 10 and 11. If you're looking to turn off this encryption feature, you're in the right place. Method 1. Turning off Bitlocker with Bitlocker Drive Encryption Panel. First, type Control Panel in the Windows search box, and then press Enter. Then click on System and Security. Next, select Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Here, you'll see all the drives that have Bitlocker enabled. Find the drive you want to disable Bitlocker on, and click Turn off Bitlocker. Confirm to turn off Bitlocker. Then wait the decryption process to complete. There are also other two ways to quickly access to Bitlocker Drive Encryption Panel. For example, you can type Manage Bitlocker in the Windows search box and press Enter. Or right-click on the Bitlocker drive, select Manage Bitlocker from the context menu. Method 2. Disable Bitlocker encryption via command prompt with one command. You can also run one command to directly disable Bitlocker. Firstly, run command prompt as administrator. Then type the following command, and press Enter. Manage BDE off E. To check more detailed information, run the command below, Manage BDE status. You can see the detailed progress here. That's all there is to this thread. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about operating techniques.